Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I want to welcome all the new subscribers and also say subscribe to any of those that are watching and have not subscribed. And also please make sure to like my video. It would really mean a lot to me and it lets me know that you're watching. So today I have a couple fun things. First off, I have this Hyaluronic Acid gel mask that comes from Advanced Clinicals. It's a moisturizing gel mask. You put it on and it stays on for like 10 minutes and then it's one that you rinse off with water. So I'm going to be doing that and I'm going to start with that right now. So I said this was Advanced Clinicals Hyaluronic Acid gel mask. I got this off of Amazon. I'll put the information up next to me here and I'll also have it in the descriptions. But this is a gel mask that again, it goes on for 10 minutes. And it's very moisturizing. I like it. I use the brush right out of the container because this is my container and I know no one else will use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. It's really quick. That's what I like about it, is it's really fast. You can put it on very, very quick. And I just kind of move it around. Now I want to say that I did start by having just clean skin. I washed my face a little while ago with just a regular cleanser and dried it off. So there was nothing on my skin except this going on there right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go chill, maybe sit outside in the cool air and let it kind of feel cool. It does feel sort of cooling and a little tingly. Again, it's hyaluronic acid, so it's supposed to attract moisture to your skin. And that's what I'm working on here, is trying to moisturize this thing. And so I'm gonna give it 10 minutes. Okay folks, so it's been about 10 or 12 minutes now. And the gel mask is sort of not dried, but it's like kind of like a more of a gel consistency. It's certainly not a peel-off mask. And what I'm going to do is just use some warm water and a wash rag and rinse that off right now. And it leaves the skin feeling nice and plumped and ready. My skin already feels tingly and cool. I was outside in the backyard, even though it's nighttime, and this is feeling really good to have the cool night air on my face. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off. So, as you can see, it came off with just a warm washcloth and warm water. Now that my skin is damp and it's not really, it's just sort of air drying right now, I'm gonna grab my hyaluronic acid and I'll put the description of which one I'm using next to me here and also down below in the description. I just always make sure that I put this on when my skin is damp. Basically, just like how it is right now. It lets the hyaluronic acids seal in the moisture into your skin. So I just let this air dry, and it feels good. It dries quickly. And once it's dry, I just kind of pressed it onto my skin. I didn't really rub it in, I kind of pressed it on and left the layer on there. And once it's dry, or basically dry, I'm gonna use my, this is something I got from Missha. It is the Snail Super Aqua moisturizer, and I'm gonna just open it a little bit and put a little bit around my eyes here, where I like to make sure that I'm gonna get the most amount of benefit from my moisturizer. Also up here on my forehead where I have all these giant wrinkles, that's a lot. And now that I've applied the Snail Serum, I'm going to just do a simple toner. This is a great one that I found recently. It's St. Ives Face Mist. This one's grapefruit. It's called Spritz a Little Yes, with a vibrant grapefruit scent. Doesn't have any alcohol in it. It's got your basic toner stuff in it. Feels fantastic. I love the way it smells and I'm kind of addicted to it. and as far as toners go anyway, but it just smells amazing. I'll put the information up next to me and also down in the description. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just tone. That smells so good. And then I just let that air dry. And that's it. That's all I have for you today, folks. So we went ahead and used the Hyaluronic Acid Gel Mask by Advanced Clinicals. I'll put the information down below. Also the Missha Super Aqua Snail Cream, as well as the St. Ives Grapefruit Toner. And I'll put all that information down below. Again, probably somewhere dancing around near me here. And otherwise, I hope you folks have a great week, and I will see you next time.